Welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. I'm Ron Weingartz. Today I'm here to talk about the Simpson gas-powered pressure washers. So let me point out, Simpson is a brand of the F&A Group. F&A Groups is one of the largest producers of pressure washers in the world. And they do a lot of private labeling. Like you'll notice this DeWalt looks very similar to that Simpson. This is made by the F&A Group. And they make for a lot of different companies. The other thing with Simpson, they make a lot of different models, a lot of different price points. So there's value in any model, but when we look at it, we don't want to go too cheap. We want to make sure customers get still good, reliable service. But it's you also don't need to spend a fortune to still have a good pressure washer. So we've kind of come down to three models that covers, what we feel our customers' needs are. So the entry models are 3,400 PSI at 2.5 gallons per minute. The other thing I do want to point out, pressure is what kind of a lot of people look at, which is important, but the gallons per minute is also extremely important. If you have a lot of pressure with no water, it's still not going to get the cleaning done. So it's a combination of the two. So, if you get into that 2.5 gallons per minute, that's pretty good. So anyhow, just to touch base on that. So this is powered by their own CRX 210 engine. It's an overhead valve engine, and their own OEM pump. So it's good value. It still has the quick detach T-jet nozzles, a nice compact frame, a nice chassis, so it makes it easy to wheel around on rough terrain. So it's a good value unit, but it's still going to do a good job for you. Like I said, they do make lower price units, but we felt this was kind of something that would get the job done for an entry level. Somebody who's going to use it occasionally around the house. It's a great unit, and it'll give you years of good service. From there, we move into this particular unit is powered by a GX series Honda engine. And just a little bit about Honda. Everybody recognizes Honda I couldn't say the best, but it's definitely looked at as one of the best engines, small engines. But this is the GX series. So there's a GC and a GX. So not to knock the GC, but they came out with that to be a lower price point engine. It's a good engine, nothing wrong with it. The GX, this is their commercial engine. This will start easy years from now, and it'll outlast 3 of these pressure washers. So it really, you're getting the GX series, which I just want to point out is very important. You get an upgraded hose, goes to a 3,600 PSI, still 2.5 gallons per minute. So you pick up a little bit more PSI, but the big thing is you're getting a AAA pump, brass end caps. So you're getting a better quality pump, better engine, and still a good value. So if you want something, a little better unit, but you're still maybe using a little bit more than your typical homeowner, that'd be a great unit. It'll give you years of great service, great machine. And then we do have a commercial grade Simpson. So this is powered by the GX. It's the GX 390, so it's a much larger engine. You get into the larger diameter braided hose because it is a 4,400 PSI, 4 gallon per minute. So this will do some serious cleaning. Heavier frame, larger tires. But the big thing is it's a full brass end cap for durability, AAA pump. So this is a true commercial unit. So if you're looking for something, doing a lot of cleaning, commercial user, it's still a great value for what it is. A lot of quality here for the price. So really, we looked at the 3 units, really covers anybody's gas needs, whether it's the entry point, a nice, this will be our most popular, nice midpoint unit, or a true commercial grade unit. We've got the units here to take care of any needs you may have. So that's a little bit about the Simpson washers. Thanks for listening today.
Weingartz, everything.